Managing clients in Plesk. This tutorial will show you how to manage clients in Plesk. Click the Clients link. First, let's add a client template. Client templates are a group of settings that can be applied to the clients you create, so that you don't have to individually adjust all the settings when creating new clients. Click the Client Templates icon. Click the Add New Client Template icon. Enter the template name. Select the permissions you want to have granted to the client when you select the template. For this demonstration, we will select all of them. Enter the limits you want to have set for the client when you select the template. Select the shared IP addresses you want to be available to the client to use. Click the Add button. If you want to allow the client to use exclusive IP addresses, you can enable it here and specify how many exclusive addresses the client can allocate from your available addresses. An exclusive IP address is most often used for a domain needing a private SSL certificate. Click the OK button. Next, let's edit our template and rename it. Click the name of the template. Enter the new template name. Scroll to the bottom of the page. Click the OK button. Click the Clients link. Now let's add a new client. Click the Add New Client Account icon. Enter the contact name. Enter the login. Enter a password. Enter the Confirm password. Enter the client's email address. Select the template to use. Click the OK button. Click the OK button. From here, we can suspend the client's account if we like. Click the Switch Off icon. Click the OK button. And then unsuspend it just as easily. Click the Switch On icon. Click the OK button. We can also edit the account information or generate a report on the client's account or modify the client's preferences or modify the limits or change the permissions. We can change the addresses in their IP pool, the applications they have access to use, and the use of any shared SSL certificates that we may have installed. We can also manage the domains and the domain templates under their account. For information about managing domains, refer to the tutorial Managing Domains in Plesk. Click the Clients link. To make changes to multiple accounts at one time, check the checkboxes for the accounts to edit and use the Group Operations link to select and apply the changes. Next, let's look at the traffic report for a client's account. Click the Traffic icon. We can select the month to report the results from. Now let's look at one individual client. Click the client name. We can also get a more detailed look at an individual domain. Click the domain name. Plesk shows us the traffic by type. Click the client's link. Finally, let's remove a client. Click the checkbox. Click the Remove Selected link. Removing a client removes the user, the settings, and all of the domains and files associated with the domains permanently from the server, which cannot be retrieved or restored unless there are pre-existing backups. It is recommended that you proceed with caution when removing clients to make sure you do not accidentally remove something unintentionally. Domains can be transferred to a new client prior to removal of the current client to avoid losing the data if so desired. This can be done using the Change Ownership link under the Domains menu. Click the Confirm Removal checkbox. Click the OK button. Congratulations, you now know how to manage clients in Plesk.